Welcome! Today I'm with Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and I'll show you how to create a home screen folder. The first step, just press to the application with your finger and drag it to another application by this way. Then repeat the action the same way with another application if you want to add one more application to your folder. So how does this look like? If you want, you can add 1, 2, 3, 5 more applications to your folder by tapping on the plus icon and just select the application what you want. Tap to done and now you get this application here. So if you want, you can give a folder name, for example apps, tap to done and now that's named. If you want, you can move your folder to the another screen by pressing on the folder, and also you can take it back if you want by this way. If you want to remove one application from the your folder, just press on this application and tap to remove icon. So that's how it looks like. If you want to remove all applications from this folder, just press to this folder and tap to the remove icon. So how it looks like. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.